Hello?
Hi.
What's up?
I'm good, yeah?
You good? You busy right now?
Not really. I was about to head out, but what's up?
Where you about to go?
Summers.
I want to talk to you about something.
About?
So, lately, I've been thinking about some stuff. I'm coming to the realization that, like, right now, probably ain't the best time for me to, like, even be focused on a relationship because there's still a lot of shit that I have to work on. And I feel like without, like, that's one of the main reasons in the past, like, my shits don't work because, like, I still have a lot of shit that I don't work on, and it's like in front of, and like instead of actually focus on doing what I gotta do, you know, I don't know, like I just been thinking it's like it's a whole bunch of shit that I gotta work on, and you know, if I can't give you the full man that I'm truly am, that's definitely gonna cause problems.
What are you trying to say?
I mean, like I was saying, like right now it's probably best that like we just be friends or something. And if you don't want to do that, I completely understand and I respect that. Is there anything you want to say?
That's all?
Huh?
No, nothing. After that's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, bye.
Look, y'all, we went in circles, but I think she playing with me, bro. So, how to do it, man? Cut her off, bro. If you feel like you not vibing with her or you feel like you're not on her purpose, man, cut her off, bro. Because you have to sacrifice things. You have to sacrifice sex. You have to sacrifice being loved by somebody else or thinking you're loved by somebody else, but you don't love yourself. If you don't love yourself, how can somebody else love you? If you don't love yourself, how can you love somebody else? So I encourage y'all, if y'all in a situation like that was, and you feel like nothing's being fulfilled, cut them off, bro. These women are your downfall, bro. Right now, I need to be fully locked in on my purpose. So, yeah, man. If you feel like you're not where you want to be in life, bro, women come and go, bro. Women come and go, bro. If I decide to keep fucking with her how I was, bro, I'm going to just be more stressed out and not focused on my purpose, bro. I'm not. That's why when we get out of a relationship, where do we go? We hit the gym. We better ourselves and shit like that, bro. So right now I need to do that shit, and my tendency is to hop relationship to relationship, whether it be just fucking or just looking for somebody to love. Like, no, bro. So cut these females off, bro. If they stopping you and they not uplifting you or adding value to your life other than pussy, bro, get rid of them, bro. Get rid of them right now, bro. You know how hard that shit was for me? Because she was a sweet girl, but I don't know if I could tell how she was talking. Like, we not on the same page on certain shit. And the way that I was explaining, I just want to be friends. I don't know how could somebody be confused as that. Like, look, right now I just need to work on myself. We can still be cool. If you want to wait, you can wait for me to be a better person. If you don't want to wait, that's totally fine. I don't need a woman. I need to be on my purpose, because when I start chasing the bag, the woman will follow. But when I start chasing woman, the bag's going to go away. I'm going to spend all my money on a woman. So you get what I'm saying, man? So, like, that's the only way y'all going to self-improve, bro. Women are your downfall right now. And I'm not saying fuck bitches, and no. Right now, if you're not where you want to be at in life, get rid of the woman, bro. Get rid of the woman. And I guarantee you in 3 months from now, I will be in a better place if I stay consistent and stay focused. And I will stay consistent and stay focused, man. Mark my words, bro. 3 months. Alexa, what's 3 months from now?
3 months after now is March 6, 2024.
March 6, 2024. March 6, 2024. By then, I will achieve so much more greater things and not be distracted by these women. So with that being said, man, do what you gotta do. Cut these women off that are draining your energy and holding you back from success. And go reach and go get the real goals, bro. Go get the real dopamine, the delayed gratification. But with that being said, man, I will catch y'all in the next video, man. I love y'all, and I'm out, man. Gang.